Hello, this is Mark Soler for Spotahome.com. I'm going to show you today a very nice flat in the Malvarrosa area. The flat is rented as one, but it's 3 rooms apartment. So we are in the main door. It doesn't have elevator, it's a 3rd floor, so it's not a big deal. So this is the main door. We're in the hall. We have a small window that goes to internal patio, and as we go through the corridor, get here, and then on the left we find the room number 1. It's a double bedroom with a wardrobe, armchair, and very lighty as well. It's a pity today, it's okay, but the views are into an internal patio. It's quite cool, and it lets a lot of light, especially in the afternoon. So close this. Yeah, every room has its own electric heater, individual. So we go back to the corridor, and now the second door on the left we find the kitchen. It's full occupied. It comes with everything you need: freezer, fridge, freezer, storage space. It comes with all the pans and everything, so fully equipped. Sorry, more storage space, more, and yeah. So you can see, it brings everything. Once you get to the end of the kitchen, that was here, it's actually very nice, the kitchen, no? This table of wood and those shelves as well, wood shelves, very nice. Okay, so once you get to the end, you find the washing machine, and from here you can open again to the internal patio of before. So on the back we close this. Yeah, not the best idea, and come back. It's actually quite warm, and today is a very cold day in Valencia, and I'm feeling great here. So the heating, electric individual heating, it's quite good. So we keep to the corridor. As you see, there was a corner here, and now we get into the bathroom as well. It has storage space, 1 sink, a toilet, and a shower. Yeah, perfect. Views to another internal patio. Yeah. Now, again, to the same corridor before, and second room on the right, we find the room number 2. Double bed, built-in wardrobe, some shelves in here, drawers, and well, full of space. Yeah, a lot of storage space for everything you need. So we keep going, sorry for that. Corridor right, we find the living room, quite big, quite lighty. A sofa with a table, round table, armchair, and a TV. It comes with internet. All bills are included. And well, the situation of the place, it's Malvarrosa, it's like 5 minutes to the beach, super well connected by bus to the city center. This is the last room, individual, very nice as well. So yeah, as I was saying, this room has a balcony, and from this balcony is like, today, as you can see, it's not the best day ever, but keeping through that street, you end up in the beach, and straight there. Actually, straight there is the beach. It's like 5 minutes to the beach. Super close to all the paella restaurants, and the best places to enjoy Valencia in summer. So that was it. Thank you very much. That was Mark Soler for Spotahome.com, Valencia.